My name is Adrian Lee. I'm the middle school coordinator at Orange Christian School. You may be aware that there are going to be times over the next few weeks where we need to have some students learning from home. And so I'm just going to give you a quick tutorial on how to access Microsoft 365 and the Canvas course from home. So the easiest way to do it, you should be able to see on the screen, you should be able to see a Google Chrome login. So I've just gone to Chrome as a browser and to the Google search, and I'm typing in my OCS into Google. And it's going to come up with this particular site. All right, I want this My OCS site for Orange Christian School. I tap on My OCS and it comes up with this screen here, which is it got a picture of the school, which takes you to the school website, an Edumate link, and a Canvas link, and a Microsoft Office 365 link. Now, you can go directly into Canvas from this button, but I would recommend that you log in first to Microsoft Office 365. That gives students access to Outlook for their email, for Word, Excel, PowerPoint, all of the things that they might want to do. It also gives them access to their OneDrive account where they can save documents and photos and other things that they might need to upload for work that they're doing for their teachers. So sign into Microsoft Office first. The sign in is with the school email address that every student from years 5 through 12 has been issued, and their normal school password. Again, you can do that directly into Canvas, but if you do it in Microsoft 365 first, it will activate what's called the single sign-on, and so therefore it will then log you into Canvas. But let's imagine that I have logged in to Microsoft 365, which I have, and I'm going to click on Canvas, and that is going to take me to the Canvas course. And it's just thinking for a minute there. And because I've logged onto already into my system, it's going to take me to my dashboard. Now, the students' dashboards will look a little bit different to this. This one's mine, but it will look something similar. So let's imagine that I'm a Stage 3 student, and I'm going to want to click on this tab here with the rocket on it, and that will take them into their particular Canvas course. Stage 4 and above, they might have particular courses for their classes, English, maths, etc. So here I'm in the Stage 3 Canvas course, and I can click on English if I want to go to English. I've got maths, history, science, etc. I've got a page for assessments, there's homework, and there's some NAPLAN Connect past papers and things in there. So there's lots of things to do. Down on the other side, on the right-hand side of the screen, you might be able to see here that we've got a simplifying fractions task coming up. So as we put more and more things up, those will come up in a to-do list here for the students. There are also other things down here, assignments and discussions that students can be involved in. And as the teachers get more and more things up on there, there will be more things for them to do. So that's how you get into Canvas and into Microsoft 365 from home if you're going through, and the best way to do it is to go through the My OCS site. I hope that's helpful, and I'll see you soon.